Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new story. The name of the story is The Cracked Pot. So I'm going to read the story for you. In the village of Bharatpur, there lived a farmer. So we all know what a farmer is. We learned that in the story, the farmer and the three sons. Okay. So in the village of Bharatpur, there lived a farmer. Like Bharatpur is the name of the place where this farmer lived. Okay. So in the village of Bharatpur, there lived a farmer. He had two pots. Okay, he had two pots. Every morning, he took the pots to fill water from the river. After filling water in the pots, he would tie them to a long pole. Okay, so he will tie the pots to a long pole. Then he would place the pole across his shoulders and walk home. Okay, so that is what he used to do every day. One of the pots had a small crack at the base. Each time the farmer brought water from the river, water dripped from it along the way. By the time he reached home, the cracked pot was half empty. The farmer, however, used the pot daily. So as you can see in the picture, one of the pots had a crack at the bottom, and every day he used to fill both the pots, but on the way the water used to leak from the cracked pot, and by the time the farmer reached home, this pot used to be only half full because half of the water used to leak on the way, whereas this pot, which had not had a crack, had full water. But the farmer did not throw the cracked pot away. He used that pot every day. One day, the farmer saw the cracked pot cry. He asked the pot why it was crying. The pot said, "I have a hole. The water I carry leaks out and I am always half empty. That is why you get less water." So one day the farmer saw that the cracked pot was crying. So the farmer asked, "Why are you crying?" So the pot said, "I have a hole and the water I carry always leaks out. When you reach home, I have only half water in me, and so you always get only little water." What did the farmer do? The farmer smiled and took the pot outside. He pointed at the flowers growing on one side of the path. So as you can see, there are flowers on one side of the path, whereas there are no flowers on the other side. So the farmer showed the pot this. He said, "It is the same side where water drips from you. There are no flowers on the other side of the path. This is because it does not receive any water from the other pot." So the farmer said, "See, this is your side of the way. Water from you drips, and that has caused all the flowers and the plants to grow. But on the other side, the pot had no crack and there was no water dripping. So on that side of the way, no flowers or plants grew." The cracked pot became very happy as it felt it was useful, though it was not perfect. Okay, so see that the water leaking from it had caused the plants and the flowers to grow. The pot felt very happy that it was being useful in some way. Okay, so that is the story of the cracked pot. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.